people. So I just have to say that when I set up my channel, it was more like some of these nuggets of wisdom. I wanted to kind of preserve it in these 30-second, 1 minute videos, because it'll, it's very hard won wisdom. And it was so nice that someone from Kolkata contacted me saying that she listens to my videos when she's a bit low, because it's as if sometimes we feel, right, the universe is talking to us through something. So no, yeah, so my gyan for today is the fact that it's taken me so long to realize that, like, the world will take you at the price tag you put on yourself. Be it if you're a writer, a painter. Of course, see, I'll say that from my end, I really believe that you should do seva, you should do a lot of voluntary work, like, generally. But when it comes to a certain professional work, you should not, if you shortchange yourself, the world around will do just the same. So, like, I was contacted for this freelance writing work, where they tell you, just write and submit, and then we will see that if it is fine, then we will take you on board. So yesterday, for the first time, I was able to kind of take a stand and say no, yeah. Because what happens is, far from earning from it, I am just losing money, because we go to some part of the city to meet these folk, and then they will rob you of your time, which is the most, like, they'll give you some random assignment where you're like breaking your head over it, and at the end you don't get paid, or it's the most soul sapping thing. So I'm so grateful that now at this age I realize that no, yeah, if I don't take a stand for myself, nobody else will. So truly, people, so many people out there who are in similar situations, just understand that the universe has a plan for you, and do what you feel in your heart to be the right thing, and that will invariably be the right thing, like. So really, lots of gyan in the morning, but this is something I just felt I have to say. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.